Imagine a vast white desert stretching to the horizon. The only sounds are the wind howling across the ice and the occasional crack of a glacier. This is Antarctica, the coldest, windiest and driest continent on Earth. It's a place of stark beauty and unforgiving conditions, a land of extremes in every sense. Antarctica is a continent of contradictions. It's a desert, yet it holds the vast majority of the world's fresh water, locked away in its massive ice sheets. It's home to some of the most extreme weather on the planet, yet it supports a surprising array of life. And while it may seem isolated and remote, Antarctica plays a vital role in the global climate system. This frozen continent is a place of wonder and discovery, a land that continues to captivate the imagination of explorers, scientists and dreamers alike. It's a place where we can learn about the history of our planet, the fragility of our environment, and the resilience of life itself. In the following sections, we'll delve deeper into the wonders of Antarctica, exploring its unique features, its diverse wildlife, and the challenges it faces in a changing world. Antarctica is truly a land of giants. It's the fifth largest continent, covering an area larger than Europe and Australia combined. But what truly sets Antarctica apart is its ice. Over 98% of the continent is covered in ice, forming ice sheets that can be over 2 miles thick in places. These ice sheets are so massive that they actually depress the landmass beneath them. If all of the ice in Antarctica were to melt, it would raise global sea levels by over 200 feet. That's taller than a 6-story building. Hidden beneath this icy blanket lies a land of mountains, valleys, and even active volcanoes. Mount Erebus, for example, is an active volcano that rises over 12,000 feet above sea level. The Transantarctic Mountains, meanwhile, divide the continent into East and West Antarctica, creating two distinct regions with their own unique geological histories. Antarctica might seem isolated, but it plays a crucial role in understanding our planet. Scientists from all over the world come to Antarctica to study climate change, geology, oceanography, and more. They brave the harsh conditions because Antarctica offers a unique window into Earth's past, present, and future. Ice cores drilled from the depths of the ice sheet provide a record of Earth's climate going back hundreds of thousands of years. By analyzing the air bubbles trapped in the ice, scientists can track changes in atmospheric composition over time. This information is vital for understanding how our climate is changing and what the future might hold. Antarctica is also home to a number of telescopes and observatories. The dry, clear air above Antarctica provides some of the best conditions on Earth for astronomical observations. Scientists use these facilities to study distant galaxies, search for evidence of dark matter, and learn more about the origins of the universe. You might think a place as cold and icy as Antarctica would be devoid of life. But despite the harsh conditions, a surprising variety of creatures call this frozen continent home. Most of these animals are found in the Southern Ocean surrounding Antarctica, where they rely on a complex food web that starts with tiny krill. Emperor penguins, the largest of all penguin species, are perhaps the most iconic animals of Antarctica. They breed on the ice during the winter, enduring temperatures as low as -76 degrees Fahrenheit. Females lay a single egg and then leave for the open ocean to feed, leaving the males to incubate the eggs and care for the chicks. Weddell seals are another remarkable species that have adapted to life in Antarctica. They have a thick layer of blubber to keep them warm and can hold their breath for over an hour, allowing them to dive deep beneath the ice in search of food. Other creatures found in and around Antarctica include whales, albatrosses, petrels, and a variety of fish and invertebrates. Each plays a vital role in this delicate ecosystem. The skies above Antarctica put on a spectacular show unlike anywhere else on Earth. The southern lights, also known as the aurora australis, paint the night sky with shimmering curtains of green, red, and blue light. This celestial display is caused by charged particles from the sun interacting with the Earth's magnetic field. Imagine gazing up at the night sky as waves of green and red light dance across the heavens. The air is crisp and cold, but the sight of the aurora is enough to take your breath away. The southern lights are a reminder of the powerful forces at play in our universe and the beauty that can arise from even the most extreme environments. The best time to see the southern lights is during the winter months, when the nights are long and dark. However, even during the summer, you might be lucky enough to catch a glimpse of this celestial phenomenon. Antarctica's ice sheets may seem vast and indestructible, but they are actually quite vulnerable to the effects of climate change. As global temperatures rise, these ice sheets are melting at an alarming rate, contributing to rising sea levels around the world. The melting of Antarctic ice has far-reaching consequences. Not only does it threaten coastal communities with flooding, but it also disrupts ocean currents, alters weather patterns, and threatens the survival of many Antarctic species. The fate of Antarctica's ice is inextricably linked to the fate of our planet, making it all the more important to understand and address the challenges of climate change. Protecting Antarctica and its ice is not just about saving a continent. It's about safeguarding our planet for future generations. It requires a global effort to reduce greenhouse gas emissions, transition to renewable energy sources, and promote sustainable practices.